Etsy has over 90 million active buyers, and most of them are Americans with credit cards looking for unique digital products right now. The best part? In 2026, AI lets anyone create professional digital products in minutes, with zero design skills, zero inventory, and zero upfront cost. Today, I'm giving you the complete step-by-step guide to making real money on Etsy, using AI in 2026. Let's go. Step 1. Why Etsy Plus AI is perfect right now. Etsy is the world's largest marketplace for handmade and digital products. Digital products are the secret goldmine on Etsy. You create them once and sell them thousands of times with zero extra work. No shipping, no inventory, no packaging, just pure passive income. AI has made creating professional digital products so fast and easy that anyone, literally anyone, can build a profitable Etsy shop in a single weekend. Step 2. The 5 best-selling AI digital products on Etsy right now. Number 1. Canva templates. Resume templates, wedding invitations, business cards, social media kits. Selling for $5 to $25 each. Number 2. AI-generated wall art and printables. Digital prints people download and frame at home. Selling for $3 to $15 each. Number 3. Notion productivity templates. Study planners, business dashboards, habit trackers. Selling for $10 to $35 each. Number 4. AI-generated coloring books. Huge demand from parents and teachers across America. Selling for $5 to $20 each. Number 5. ChatGPT prompt packs. Collections of 50 to 100 prompts for specific niches. Selling for $5 to $30 each. All 5 created entirely using free AI tools. Step 3. Setting up your Etsy shop. Go to Etsy.com and click Sell on Etsy. Completely free to start. Choose a shop name that reflects your niche, something like Digital Mind Shop or AI Template Hub. Set your shop location to United States. This attracts US buyers and increases your visibility in American search results. Write your shop description using ChatGPT. Ask it to write a professional Etsy shop description for a digital product store specializing in AI-generated templates and printables. Step 4. Creating your first product with AI. Let's create a resume template, the fastest-selling digital product on Etsy. Right now. Open Canva. Search resume templates. Pick a clean professional design, customize colors and fonts. Download as PDF. That's your product. Now use ChatGPT to write your product title, description, and tags. Ask it, write an Etsy product listing for a modern professional resume template. Include SEO keywords that US buyers search for. Your entire first product from creation to listing takes under 30 minutes. Step 5. Pricing your products to maximize sales. Most beginners price too low and leave money on the table. Here's the right pricing strategy. Start at $4.99 for simple single templates. Price bundles of 5 templates at $12.99. Price complete kits of 20 templates at $24.99. Etsy buyers perceive higher prices as higher quality. A $15 resume template outsells a $3 one because buyers assume it's better. Always offer a bundle. It increases your average order value automatically. Step 6. Getting your first sales fast. The fastest way to get your first Etsy sale is through Etsy's own search algorithm. Use keywords US buyers actually search for in your titles and tags. Instead of resume template, use Modern Resume Template for Tech Jobs 2026 or ATS. Friendly Resume Template Instant Download. These long-tail keywords have less competition and more buyer intent. Your product appears in front of people who are ready to buy, not just browsing. Step 7. Scaling to $1,000 per month on Etsy. The secret to scaling on Etsy is volume and variety. Add 1 new product every day for 30 days. Use AI to create each one in under 30 minutes. After 30 products, your shop has enough variety to appear in dozens of different search results simultaneously. Top Etsy sellers don't have one viral product. They have 50 to 200 products each, making small consistent sales that add up to $1,000 to $10,000 per month in passive income. Etsy plus AI is one of the most powerful passive income combinations available in 2026. You create a product once. Etsy sells it forever. AI makes the creation process take minutes instead of days. Which digital product are you going to create first? Drop it in the comments. I genuinely want to know. Subscribe to TechMind Daily for more real ways to make money using AI every single week. See you in the next one.